Sports card unboxing number 79-ish. Amon-Ra St. Brown, rookie card, select. Guess it's premier level. So I guess a step up from the concourse level, which is a step down from the clubhouse and the field level. A few Aaron Judges, mostly, probably all but the first one I'm going to give to kids on my son's team. This is the select one I'll probably keep for myself. Just like select, here's a score. Donruss, absolute, and then it looks like 3 tops, 2022. I'll put that in the kitty pile. Boom. Next. Double check. Save. Joke with my wife, say, oh, we had a major economic windfall today in the form of gently used Scotch tape. And I just leave it sticking around all the houses to the countertops and stuff. Really gets her upset. But then I can reuse it to package when I hopefully eventually sell something. Which my son will tell me is the opposite. I'm supposed to just throw things over my shoulder and not care. That's how to be a hip, cool YouTuber and get viewers. Looks like this is a big Trevor Lawrence pack. Which again, I'll give most of these to my kids' football team because we are the Jacksonville Jaguars. So I guess I can just scroll through these like this. Those mosaics are okay. Most of these I'll give away. I'll keep that one. I only gotta give away 6, so there's only 6 on the team, so I can keep 3 or 4 good ones, give away 6, and probably sell the rest. Probably keep that one. Slade 115 on eBay if I don't quit on eBay. That's kind of a cool one. Might keep that one. Emergent, might keep that one. I don't know if we're back to the front yet or not, but I'll assume you've seen enough. On to the next lot. More painter's tape. Interest of time, I'll just rip it instead of untaping it. We got rookies and stars. Some Jaguars I'm giving to my son's team. There's 6 of them. Perfect little lot. DJ Shark, boom. ATN, probably give that to whoever does the best that day. Cisco, Jay Tufel, Josh Allen, probably whoever does second best. And DJ Shark, third best in this one. James Robinson. And just one more lot. Bear with me, please, while I try to keep my junk organized a little. And here we are. I know what this is. Massive lot of 2022 tops, stars of MLB. And just, look, there's a chrome on top. There's a few chromes, tops chromes. Joey Gallo, and then just big, thick packs. It was like hundreds, I think, is what I bought her. Over 150. Look, another chrome on top. Nolan Arenado. Rafael Devers on top of this pack. Clayton Kershaw on top of this one. Alex Bregman on the back of this one, Jazz Chisholm on the front. You get the picture. All right. See you next time.